That's a big box, Martin.
It is a big box.
And it has Oxford products, so I'm guessing it's from Oxford Products.
What's in it?
Well, that's your job.
Oh, we should swap one day.
Okay.
So it is open because you've taken something out, but I don't know what's in here.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm guessing the HJCs.
Oh, and I just caught something on the side there.
Oh.
Because obviously HJC have been doing a lot of licensed helmets. They've done Star Wars ones, haven't they? And
well, yeah, we've had the Boba Fett one.
Mm-hmm.
Did we do the Kylo Ren one as well?
Well, I think we might have done the Kylo Ren one, and they do X-wing ones, and they do superheroes, and so I'm not really surprised. But so I'm guessing one is going to be Lightning McQueen.
Right.
But what's the other? So okay, what have we got in here then? So it's the RPHA 11, good lid.
Yeah.
Yep.
So should we get them both out and then?
Ooh, comes with a little visor.
A smoked
visor.
Smoked visor.
Basically clear.
Yeah. I'll leave that on there.
Right. And then the other one.
Just in case you didn't, in case you enjoyed the opening of the first one, I'll open another one.
You're all about value for money.
Oh, there's a pin lock in this one, so I'm guessing you get a pin lock with it.
Okay, cool.
Oh yeah, there's one in there as well.
There's one in there. Love a good pin lock. Right then. So then, which is which?
Do you want to? Should we play a guessing game? Which one's this?
I don't know. I'll go for Lightning McQueen.
Okay.
So take your time, no rush.
Oh, he was right.
Yeah. Score one for me. Okay, so this is going to be. This is the Jackson Storm one. Have you seen Cars 3?
I've seen a bit of it.
Yeah.
But having young kids, they lose interest after a while, so you only tend to see either the very beginning of something or the very end of it.
Well, he's a bit of a dick because
he's
the evil protagonist of the film. I mean, to me, this I like it because it's simple, but it looks more like a kind of a normal helmet design, doesn't it?
Do you know what I was going to say? If you didn't know this was Cars and it didn't have Jackson Storm on it, it's actually like a normal looking lid, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've got a nice carbon effect coming through with a bit of flaking. Fairly.
That's actually carbon.
Yeah.
Not carbon effect.
Sorry.
I mean, that's all right.
So yeah, it's actually quite nice. Apart from the the tail lights and that of the back of it is a bit of a giveaway, maybe, I don't know. But yeah.
Otherwise, that could literally just be a good looking, normal design lid, couldn't it?
Okay, so that's the Jackson Storm.
That's the Jackson Storm. So let's get to the other puppy, the one everyone will know. That's a bit more in your face. 95.
Definitely unmistakable, I suppose.
Yeah. Ka-chow. Whatever it is. Rusties, bless it. I mean, do you know, if you've got kids who love Cars, the films, I mean the animated movies, and you get a lid like this, they are they gonna? Young kids, obviously teenagers will think it's lame, but young kids will probably think it's really cool, right?
Yeah.
Or am I imagining that?
No, I think they will. They'll definitely, it's a bit like if they did a Frozen one at the moment, my kids would go mental for it, but at the
Please,
same time...
God, HJC, don't ever do a Frozen helmet, please. Resist the temptation.
Obviously, as soon as you pull off the drive and you leave them at home, then you just look like a middle-aged man with a Disney lid on. But this is coming from the man with the Boba Fett one.
Yeah,
so I can't really comment too much. But yeah, do you know what? If you want a nice red bright lid, that is probably the way to go. Now, the important thing to note about these two lids is they are different.
Oh.
So the Jackson Storm one, you can probably see is carbon, as we've touched on. The Lightning McQueen one is the PIM shell, so Premium Integrated Matrix.
Gotcha.
So it's kind of like carbon weave, but it's more It's not, this one will be lighter, and it is carbon. This one's more fibres, you know, man-made fibres, and one thing. And
Why do the evil characters always get the cool stuff? So old Jackson here gets the gets El Carbone.
Yeah.
What are the prices for these, Martin?
So the Lightning McQueen one's $469.99. I don't know about the Jackson Storm one, being that it's carbon, it's going to be a little.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure, if memory serves, and I'll try and remember and put something in here. I'm pretty sure it's 500 and something or other quid.
But then you'd probably expect that for a carbon lid.
Yeah, you would. It's funny. You would have thought that they'd have made poor old Lightnings speciale as well.
True.
But
so a couple of bits on these.
Go on.
Just since we've touched on the paintwork.
Mm-hmm.
So these are all aerodynamically tested in HJC's wind tunnel.
Mm-hmm.
So you'll find that the airflow through these is quite direct. You've got top vents, which roll with your gloves, so they're nice and easy to operate, as well as your front vent and brow vent. So on the original Alphas, I don't think they ever had the brow vent, but this is kind of a new thing. So it'll increase the channel flow through the helmet.
Do you just call it an Alpha?
Yeah, we used to call them Alpha 10. Well, they're Alpha 10s.
RPHA.
No. Look, you're getting pernickety. So visor lock button.
Yep.
On there. So yeah, you've already seen they come with light smoke tint visor with a pin lock. These ones have got tear offs on this side as well if you want to go down that way.
Yeah.
Quick release visor, so nice and easy to pop off and change.
Gotcha.
Removable chin curtain. I'm quite a fan of chin curtains. I think they do a great job. So
I like a good chin curtain.
And then you'll see here the emergency quick release system.
Yeah.
Coming more and more standard on helmets, which is a brilliant thing. So you give them a good yank, and the cheek pads will sort of come away from the helmet in an emergency. So when paramedics pull the helmet off, essentially the padding will sort of still be stuck to your cheeks. Slightly exaggerated, but that's the principle behind it. So yeah,
cool.
Nice little interior there. Yeah.
Odor free, it says.
Yeah.
Not for long.
Yeah.
Not for long with one of our sweaty heads in there.
So it'll be one of them microbiological jobbers.
Yeah, and I know the insides are removable and washable and all the other ubbles.
So feature-wise, the vents and stuff, they mirror each other. It's just the shell construction is slightly different. I think it's available in 3 shell sizes.
Okay.
3 shell sizes. There you go.
There you go. Says so.
So yeah, so probably extra small, medium large, and extra large, extra large.
Lovely. So there you go. If you're a cars, movies freak, or you have kids that will love you forever for being either one of these two, I think that probably fits the bill. Thank you, Martin.